What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to get your pesky acrylic nails off at home. I hate when they start growing out, they start getting caught in everything. So today we're going to take them off at home with a few simple ingredients. So definitely stay tuned, hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get to it. Alright guys, a few things you're going to need to get started. First of all, you're going to need a bowl, 100% acetone. Now you can pick this up at Walmart, Shoppers Drug Mart, wherever. You're going to need some nail clippers like that. So I got this actually at the dollar store as well. A nail buffer to scrape off the gel and acrylic surface. And then just a cuticle pusher to push off the residue of the nail once the acetone is soaked into it. And for afterwards, for nourishing your nails, I just am using some argan hair oil, which argan oil is also good for your nails, your cuticles as well. So we're going to get started. Okay, first let's start pouring the acetone into the bowl. I'm going to fill it up so that it covers all 10 of my fingernails. I'm actually going to remove my wedding ring. I'm going to cut as much as I possibly can off of my acrylic nails. So now they are nice and short. All right, I'm gonna take this nail buffer and buff as much as I can off of the gel slash acrylic surface. This just helps speed up the process once you dip your fingers into the acetone. I usually do my own shellac nails at home just because it's cheaper and takes like 5 minutes. But I got these acrylic nails professionally done because I went on a trip to Cuba. I scored that trip for under $1,000, so definitely check out that trip. We had such a good time. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip them into that bowl, both hands. Okay, so I'm just noticing that you can start prying off the nails on the side. So I managed to get 2 off already. So don't go too hard on your nails, only start prying when it's ready. And if it's not ready, then dip it back into the acetone for another few minutes. Okay, so I'm just taking that cuticle pusher and I'm starting to pry along the sides. So this one here is ready. Woo, got it, yay! This is taking like less than 5 minutes, which is great. If you get this done at the salon, it takes like 20 minutes and it usually costs you about $20 to $30 to get them to take it off. Yay, they're officially off. I'm free. I feel like I can text and type all over again. I have my hands back. All right, guys, so we're still not done. We're gonna take that buffer and smooth out our nail because you'll know that there's kind of a lot of dead skin on the nails there. So let's just buff that out, make them nice and pretty again. I always tell myself after I get acrylic nails, I'm never gonna do it again. But then I always have like a special function or something to go to, like a trip or a wedding. And it's like, oh, I want to get acrylics. And then I remember this part, which is not fun, the taking them off. But I'm actually surprised that it only took us like 5 minutes when it's all said and done. So that's not bad. I would definitely recommend giving your nails a break after this, like away from polishes and everything, just for like a week, just to let your nails breathe. Okay, now I'm going to cut my nails down. I'm cutting them as short as possible. So I'm just gonna take some into my hand, just like that. Now, this is what I use on my hair, but it works for your nails too, and it's so good for your cuticles. Makes your nails nice and healthy, because your nails are gonna be super dehydrated for about a week. So that's why I mentioned taking a break from any kind of polishes for about a week, letting your nails grow back nice and strong and healthy. After that, I just apply as much lotion to my hands as possible throughout the day, just so they stay nice and hydrated. Ta-da! And that is it for my video today, you guys. If you found this video helpful, then definitely give it a big thumbs up. I know this is helpful for me doing it at home, saving me about $20 to $30 instead of going to an actual nail salon and getting them taken off. This was less painful, way cheaper, more time efficient, so this was such a better way to get my nails off in the comfort of my own home. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe. Stay up to date on my latest releases. Alright guys, see you on the next one. Bye!